The Sanctified Zipper Sinnet Paracord Bracelet. Aloha everyone, welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. But before we start, on the end of this video, if you like it, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. So let's start. So before we start, I want to give a credit for a designer of this pattern, Elena Polkanova. I will post down below in the description box of this video the link to Elena's Instagram page, so make sure to check it out. And if you want to learn how to create this awesome paracord bracelet with the Runic beads, the Rune of Destiny, the full tutorial how to create it you can find in the top right corner of this video in the information cards. Also there you can find this 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends tutorial, so check once more the information cards or the description box down below. Now that being said, we're gonna start. For today's project we're gonna use this yellow Paracord 550 and this dark green Paracord 550. The length of the yellow paracord is around 6.6 feet or 2 meters, and this dark green is around 3.7 meters or approximately more or less 13 feet. So let's start. We're gonna take the left strand of dark green and we're gonna pull it through from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand. Let me just zoom a bit. So here, and then we're gonna pass it from the back through the gap between third and the fourth core strand of the left side, and we're gonna pull it through. Now here we're gonna take the right strand cord and we're gonna make it on top of this loop and the core strands, and we're gonna enter from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the left side. We're gonna go all the way under and we're gonna make it from the back through the loop we created on the right side. Let me just untangle a bit this dark green. Now from here we're gonna simply insert the yellow paracord into the gap between first and the second cord of the right side core, so like this, and from the top into the loop. And also here on the left side we're gonna pull it through from the top into the loop between first and the second core strand of the left side. And now from here we're gonna take this right strand cord and we're gonna pull it through this loop here, like so, and from here into the gap between first and the second core strand, and from the back we're gonna pass it through the loop we created with the left strand cord, like so. And from here we're gonna pull this left strand green, now from here, before we cinch this left side, we're gonna take the yellow and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap here between first and the second core strand, like so. And now we're gonna lock the left side and cinch it a bit, this yellow. And from here we're gonna do the same with the left strand green. So we're gonna take it and make it through the loop here on the top. Then we're gonna pass it from the top through the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. And again from the back side through the loop we created with this right strand cord. As you can see here. So from the back through that loop under the bracelet core. And before we lock with the right strand cord, we're gonna take the yellow and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand. And now we're gonna lock the right side cord. From here we're gonna repeat the whole process with the crossing with the right and the left cord, as simply as that. So once more, we take the paracord we are next to work with, this time is right side. We're gonna pass it through the loop on top and then through the gap between first and the second core strand of the left side, and from the back side we're gonna pass it through the loop like so. And from here with the yellow we're gonna make it around this green from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side, and simply we're gonna pull it this end next to this one and finish it. Now we're gonna lock it this left side. We're gonna pull this green cord all the way to secure it, and now we're gonna pull this right side and yellow. Our today's project is finished. The Sanctified zipper Sinnet is done. I hope that you like this video. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. Hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Until then, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.